And now I'm going to go through the program and how it's running. The first step is this is a while loop controlling the data that goes out to my 7-segment display as well as to my LCD. This is another while loop constantly running, monitoring all the zones for errors or faults. And then this is the primary flat sequence, which brings everything together. Now, pardon me, this is the part for the key that runs the keyboard input. This is the flat sequence running everything else. So, coming into this first part, sets everything to 0. Then when you hit the A button on the keypad, it prompts you into entering the appropriate keypad number. Once that comes back as true, it sends you to the monitoring phase. This is the stage where everything's being monitored. This resets the keypad back to false. If anything should be triggered, there's multiple case statements in here, or case structures within here. They're gonna send you to the appropriate output of whatever alarm was broken. This right here is the control for the sounds and the different beeps of the lights going off. And then once you've disarmed it, it comes back out of this phase, resets things back to silent, and kicks you back to the beginning where it's disarmed and awaiting to be armed.